All right, we're back again. I don't know if I say that all the time. If I do and I say that all the time, I apologize. I don't remember what I say half the time. But hopefully these are helping you out. I do know I say that because I hope they're helping. All right, we're Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade, Module 3, Lesson 15, homework help. So we have to draw an area model to represent the expression, then multiply by recording the partial products in vertical form. All right, so it wants our area model again. That's just a rectangle that we're going to break into 4 parts. So we're going to break the 24, 20 there, and the 4 there, and we're going to break the 31. 30 there, and 1 there. Make that 3 a little better. There we go. That looks like an M. That does not look good. All right, so let's try this the other way. Let's go like this. All right, there we go. Now it looks like I can make numbers. You know, being a teacher, I should probably be able to do that. All right. So let's look at this one. So we're going to do 4 times 1. Put that 0's here. Put a 0 there. We only have 1 0. Now we're going to do 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. 20 times 1, we have a 0. Put the 0. Now we have 2 times 1 is 2. And then we have a 0 and a 0 for 20 times 30. So we're going to go 0 and 0. And then we're going to say 2 times 3. Let's go over here. All right, we already have 4 1s times 1 1. We have the 4 there. So we have 4 1s times 3 10s. It said the word 10, so that means there's 1 0. So 4 times 3, 12. 2, 1 gives us our 12. And we have 2 10s times 1, 1. So there's our 0 for our 10. And our 2 times 1. And now right here we have 2 10s times 3 10s. 0, 0. So now it's just 2 times 3 because we put our zeros there to show our 10s. Right? 2 times 3, 6. So 4 plus nothing. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. And we have 1 plus 0 plus 6 is going to give us 7. 744. We add these together over here, we'd have 24. And over here, we'd have 720. We add those together, we're going to get 744. So we did that right. All right. The next 2 are on you to do. All right. It says, picture the area model in your head. You don't have to draw it. Okay? You don't have to draw it. So don't draw it. Picture it in. But if you need to draw it, fit it in right here. Make it, if drawing the area model right now still helps you, you have room, draw it out. See if you get the same numbers. Okay? Check yourself. Make sure you're getting it right. Let's look. That's page 101. Let's look on the back of page 102. And it says, partition the interval into equal parts. Plot the given fraction on the number line. So right here we have 0 6 and we have 6 6. So we want to know, where does 1 6 go? So remember, on fractions, if the bottom numbers are all the same and you got to put them in order, you're just counting. You want to kind of keep them as close as you can. I'm actually going to help get you started, but I'm not going to finish this one. Okay? I want you to do the whole thing because it says partition the interval into equal parts. Plot the given fraction on the number line. Do the extra work. So we have 0 out of 6 here. We have 6 out of 6 here. That means we're missing parts to get to 6. So this one, I'm going to help you. That one would go about right here. 1 6 is right there. You need to get all the way to 6 6. You need 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, and then it's 6 6. All right? Show all of them, and then just circle. Maybe draw arrows showing that you put this one right here, because that's the one you're supposed to do. Do the extra ones. Do the little bit of extra work. That'll make your teacher happy. Okay? I hope that helps. I mean, I gave you the answer. It should really help. But do the rest of it. Put your first name, last name, and your class number up here if you're doing classwork. Maybe the date. That's it for this one. All right. This is Eureka Math Squared. 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 15, pages 101 and 102, homework help. I hope you guys had a great day. I hope it keeps going. Have a good night.